Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and this part is a drawing here a collar design, and how to this collar design is all process is learn here easily and clearly. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and all parts is one by one is all parts is drawing here at first, and last is all parts is assemble here. Okay guys, this is a very important, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view you can see here on the screen, and this body is this part is a isometric view. Okay, and all dimension in inch, and this is a very important. Okay, this is this body is a collar design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is also cosmetic thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this part is cut out is also. Okay, this part is a drawing here easily and clearly you can see here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is a some setting is very important, and at first plain white, and going to this option, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and unit is also change here. This is a IPS, this is a inch. Okay, all setting is a complete here, and this is a at first select this is a front view because all two dimension is looking perfect, and this is a bigger diameter, the big circle diameter is a 0.81 inch, and a small circle diameter is a 0.52 inch. And okay, this is a this thickness is 0.38 inch, and this thickness is a 0.44 inch, and this is a diameter is 0.72 inch. Okay, and this cutout is a perfect, and this plane is a top view, and this is a 0.09 inch and 0.13 inch. Okay, let's drawing this part. Okay, at first select a front plane. Okay, drawing a two circle, a big circle and a small circle. Okay, this is a this, and define a dimension. Dimension is a this 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a small diameter is a 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. 0.81 inch and 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is a okay, and this is a direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a thickness is a point. Okay, this thickness is a 0.38 inch. Okay, 0.38 inch. Okay, this thickness is 0.38 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this body is a drawing here perfect, and this is a cosmetic thread is you can see here on the screen. And at first going to this option, and some setting is very important, and going to this document properties, and this is a detailing, and this is a sided cosmetic thread is a check here. Okay, and okay, and again going to this insert, and going to annotation, and cosmetic thread is a you can see here. Okay, and select this. Okay, select this edge. Okay, and this is a start from face. Okay, this is a complete here. Standard is none. none is a select here, and this is a 0.76 inch, and this is a blind is select here, and this is a 0.375 inch is perfect. All is perfect and correct. Click OK. Okay, this is a done, and this face is sketch and normal, and this is a select here and going to convert entities. Okay, and again are drawing a circle, a big circle. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this 0.72 inch. Okay, all is perfect. All is perfect and correct. Okay, and again going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a perfect drawing here, and this is a thickness is a 0.44 inch. Okay, this is a 0.44 inch is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and okay, and again this cutout is a very important, and going to this cutout, and at first select a plane is top view is better, and select a top plane and sketch normal. Cutting this select a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drawing here this. Okay, okay, and some relation is very important, and select a mid this origin point, and press a control button and select this line, and this is a midpoint is perfect. And okay, this dimension is a 0.09 inch, and this height is a 0.13 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a distance is a 0.09 inch, and this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a this is a through all both side. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a okay. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct is a drawing here. Okay, all is perfect. Setting here. Okay, and material is apply here at first going to this appearance, and going to metal, and going to this nickel, and nickel is a polished nickel is perfect. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys all point. Okay, and guys all point is learn here easily and clearly, and I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a knob design, and this part is a knob design, knob body, and this is isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. And this body is a very important, and this is a bench wise lathe machine project. And at first one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here easily and clearly. You can see here on the screen, and all dimension in inches. Okay, 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 this is a knob design, and this is a part is a knob body, and how to this body is drawing here. And today discuss here this body is design. Okay, let's start here. This body is design easily and clearly. Okay, okay, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. This is a 0.06 inch, and this radius is a 0.38 inch, and this is a 0.16 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.68 inch, and this this is a cutout is a diameter is 0.13 inch, and this is the same, both is a diameter is same here, and this radius is 0.16 inch, and this is a diameter is 0.31 inch. Okay. Drawing here this at first new part is a drawing here. Okay, and some setting is very important, and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and this body is a drawing here perfect. Okay, and at first this use a plane is a top plane is very this is a top plane is a perfect here. Okay, and select a top plane, and at first going to this inches. Okay, perfect, and top plane is perfect drawing here, and draw a circle is this, and drawing a center line connect to this origin point. Okay, this, and again select a line is parallel to this origin, and this center line, this line is drawing here parallel to this center line. Okay, and this is also vertical line. This use a trim command, and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, because this is a perfect. Okay, and this gap is a radius is 0.16 inch, and this is a radius is 0.38 inch. Okay, this is a 0.38 inch, and this gap is a 0.16 inch. Okay, and all dimension is perfect, and this is a fully defined body, and going to this extrude boss, and this body is this preview is showing here on the screen, and okay, this is a perfect cutting here. Okay, and this full length is a 0.31 inch. This is a perfect, and this is a knob is used here this perfect. Okay, next is this cutout is this body, and cutout is and this is a 0.06 inch. Okay, at first select a top plane is perfect, and going to this normal, draw a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is cutting is this perfect, and okay, this is this point, and press a control button and select this is use a coincident. Okay, and use this is a 0.06 inch. Okay, and this distance is also use here this is a 0.68 inch. Okay, 0.68 inch. Okay, but this is a cutout is also this body is a okay, this is not used here. Okay, this body is a cutout is already perfect, and this is a delete here. Okay, and normal. Okay, and this is some extra portion is perfect, and going to this revolve cut, and this line is select here. Okay, this, and cutout is this is some to distance is this perfect, and okay, this. Okay, this cutout is this is a extrude cut is perfect drawing here, and this distance is a 0.68 inch perfect. Okay, this distance is a perfect cutting here. Okay, and all dimension is used here easily and clearly. Okay, and going to this material is a appearance and metal and brush is a this. Okay, and normal, going to this isometric, and okay, perfect body is drawing here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a jaw plate and all dimension in inch. And okay, this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and how to this all parts is design here and all parts is assemble here. Okay, at first all parts is drawing one by one, and last is this body is assemble here. And this is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All geometry is you can see here on the screen. Okay, this body is a jaw plate, and how to this body is a design. And this is a two, you see, this is a hole wizard is used here, and this is a two hole is created. This is a counter sink, and this two counter sink is designed and created here, and 1/4 float head machine screw. Okay, this is perfect, and how to this body is designed. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, and also a professional student is very important lecture. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first going to part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is a plain white. And going to this option and document property, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And this unit is also changed here. This is a IPS. Okay, this is a IPS means inch pound second. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a sketch here. This is a at first select a front view. At first select a front plane, because this is a front view is perfect drawing here. And top view, this thickness is a 0.19 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a 1.75 inch, and this fillet is used here 0.01 inch. Okay, at first select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, drawing this corner rectangle. Okay, this is a corner rectangle is a drawing here. Okay, this is a drawing a corner rectangle. Okay, and this plane, and press a control button, and this plane and this origin point is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define all dimension, and this is a length is a 2.75 millimeter, and this width is a 1.75 inch. Okay, both is inch here, 2.75 inch, and this is a 1.75 inch, because all unit is a inch setting here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is a this is a select a direction is reverse is better. Okay, and this is a thickness is a 0.19 is inch. Okay, because this thickness is a 0.19 is perfect. Okay, all is correct and okay. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and this body is okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this face normal, because drawing this whole wizard, and whole wizard is very important, and going to this is a countersink, and this countersink is a use here, and this unit is a setting here. This standard is ANSI inch, and type is a flat head screw. Flat head screw is 82 is perfect. Okay, and size is 1/4 and normal, and this is a end condition through all setting is perfect. And position is at first drawing a center line. A center line is drawing here this origin to this, because this is a very important. Okay, and this vertical, and this position is not showing here, and going to this point is click here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, at first this is a define a this is a 1 inch is perfect, and click OK, and this preview is not showing here, and click here this. Okay, and this is a drawing here is first, and second is a drawing this. Okay, and at first some relation is very important, and this point, and press a control button, and this point is a select here, and this is a horizontal line. Okay, and also select this line, and press a control button, and select both point, and this is a symmetric. Both relation is very important, and define a dimension, and both point is select here, and this is a 1.5 is perfect. Okay, 1.5 is perfect, and both distance between a distance is a 1.5, because all is a this is a black color is all is fully defined, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and all relation is also perfect, but this 2 point is not mentioned here, and this is a very important, and both is a okay, and click OK. Okay, all is a perfect drawing here, and this use a fillet, and fillet is a 0.01 inch is a perfect, and select all face, this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all is a okay, not mention, this is a delete here, and select this face. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and isometric view, and material is apply here, going to appearance, and metal, and this is a chrome, and this is a chromium plate is perfect. Okay, also this material is a selected nickel. Okay, and going to this is a nickel, and going to polished nickel is this is a some better looking is isometric view, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect is correct, and going to this and isometric view. Okay, and guys all point discuss here very easily, and guys next lecture is coming soon, and guys I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks, and this part is design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a this part is a and this is a set a screw, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and this is a this is all parts is assembled here. This project is a bench wise lathe machine, and how to all parts is assembled here you can see here on the screen. And at first all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this is all parts is assembled of this body, all assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, today discuss here a very important lecture for a beginner, a student, and also a professional student. And this part is a isometric view, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all geometrical dimension you can see here on the screen. Okay, and all point is all dimension in inch. And okay, this body is a design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this cutout is also perfect cutting here, and this is a cosmetic thread is also you can see here. And today discuss here a very important lecture. And this is a dome is shape. Okay, and okay, this body is how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, and guys, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important. At first setting is this unit, and this is a inches. Okay, and this is going to plain white, and going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line and all dimension is looking perfect. Okay guys, this is a plane is select here. This at first select a plane is front plane, because all geometry is more than a large number of geometry is looking front view, and this is a cutting is also a front view. And then this body is a use a front plane. Okay, this is a drawing a revolve boss base is apply here, a drawing a sketch geometry. And then this is a 0.07 inch, and this length is a 0.38 inch, and this is a distance is a 0.11 inch, and this is radius and diameter is a 0.22 inch. Okay, and also same diameter is 0.22 inch. Okay, and this is a radius is same here 0.07 inch, and diameter is 0.14 inch, and full length is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and this is both is a cutting here a 0.05 inch and 0.03 inch. Okay, at first select a top plane and sketch or drawing a simple geometry and a line is sketch here. And at first select this is this and drawing this any shape is a drawing here. Okay, this shape is this and this shape is a drawing here, and then this is a this. Okay, this is a drawing a shape is perfect. Okay, and this point and press a control button and select this line, and this is a coincident. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and at first define a dimension is this distance is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and okay, and this distance is a 0.11 inch. Okay, and all dimension is set unit set here a inch, and okay, this is a perfect. And this is a 0.38 inch. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. And then going to this is a this and this distance is a this point, and this distance is a 0.07 inch. Okay, all is perfect dimension, and you can see here this. And okay, use this 0.11 inch this distance, use a revolve boss base. Then this distance is 0.38 inch, and this is 0.07 inch, and full length is a 0.75 inch. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and use a revolve boss base is apply here, and this is a this, and this preview is you can see here on the screen, and okay. Okay, and all is perfect setting here, and going to this okay, at first going to this option and document properties and detailing, and this cosmetic thread is check here, and okay, and then apply this cosmetic thread. At first going to insert an annotation, and this cosmetic thread is this, and select here this edge. Okay, and this preview is you can see here on the screen, this is a cosmetic thread, and then this is a uncheck a cosmetic thread, then this is not showing here. Okay, at first this is a check here, and this is a use very important, and going to this is a ANSYS inch, and type is a machine thread is perfect and correct, and size is a 1224 is better, and through all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay. Okay, all is better, and last is this body is going to this cutting here, use this okay, front plane is also perfect, and this use a corner rectangle is this is a drawing this, and at first select this point and press the control button and select this line, and this is a midpoint. At first this relation is setting here, and okay, this is a smart dimension is used here, this is a 0.05 inch is perfect, and this length is a 0.03 inch. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and both dimension is a perfect, and this is a fully defined. Okay, and going to this extrude cut, and extrude cut is a use here, this is a through all both side, because both side is this preview is you can see here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is perfect and correct is better, and okay, this material is apply here, going to this appearance and metal, and going to this nickel, and this nickel material is this is a perfect, and going to this isometric view. Okay, all is perfect. Okay guys, all dimension and all geometry you can see here on the screen, and one by one is learn here, and I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.